Good boy. Good. Wait. Okay, so today I'm going to be working on Intro to Food with Pericles, and we haven't done this in a while. And he's been quite frisky lately with this chilly weather. Wait. And he's just starting to get a little pushy around the food the last couple of days. So I'm going to go back to working on this exercise with him so that I can teach him to regain his respect around food in my personal space. So I'm going to put this food over here. And the object of this is that he will not bother this food no matter where I am in this arena. And that if he comes to me, then I will bring him to the food. But the first part is for him to not bother the food no matter where I am. And I don't want to have to guard the food. So I'm going to ask him to leave if he tries to go to it. And then I'm going to walk away. And then he's going to learn that he needs to respect the food and come to me, that I'm the source of food, and I'll bring him to the food. And this will teach him to be polite while we're feeding him. Well, hi. Yeah, you're a good boy. I also don't want him to start to mug me and push me to go to the food, because that's also a behavior that we want to try to eliminate. So I just want him to relax and not beg or not ask. And then I'll call him and ask him to go to the food. Well, it's starting to rain, of course. We brought the video camera out, so it's going to rain. Come here. Wait, right here? Stop, don't push into me. Wait. Wait. So he has started to become a little bit nippy around the carrots, and so I'm just saying, you know, don't do that. I don't want you to bother me for the carrots. You'll get some, but he can just relax and not be concerned about it. So I want you to go. Go. Oh no. Go. Were you lining yourself up? I'm going to give him the carrot because he's being really respectful about the food. He's asking me, can you take me to the carrots? This I don't want, though. I don't want him to hover and push me around for the food. So I'm going to wait a little bit. So you really have to feel this out, you know. You have to say, like, is he pushing me still? Just because he did that and he came to me and all that, I don't want to reward that behavior of pushing me about the food. So when he can relax right here, then I'll give him a carrot. Stop it. Wait right there. Okay, so it's raining. I feel like this was it was a good example, a short video of how to teach your horse to be respectful around the food. And just remember that the very first phase of this is for you to be able to move your horse away from the food and not guard the bucket. Just go sit down in your chair or hang out against the fence and just know that it's no rush. You don't have to reward the horse immediately when he comes to you, but the whole goal is to keep your horse from mugging you for food, begging for food, and for him to be respectful around the food. So right now he's going to help himself, and I'm going to say no. Go away, go. And I want him to go far away, just forget about the food. So that was good. I was kind of hoping that that would happen, and it did. So now I'm just going to come over here and I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to say, hey, look, you know, that's really nice that you can do that, but it needs to be consistent. So the goal of this is for you to be able to sit in your chair and read a book, have carrots in the environment that you're in, or food, any kind of food, and not be concerned about your horse bothering you for it. So I hope that helps, and when the sun comes out, we'll come back and do another video for you.